Have you ever watched a YouTube tutorial or online presentation and wonder how a cursor pop with well-looking highlights? In this video, I'll be showing you one simple and effective method you can use to highlight your cursor while making any online presentation, or you're trying to record your screen so that your viewers or your audience can follow up on your video. Don't worry, in this video, I'll be showing you effective methods how to highlight your cursor. This method I'm about to show you can work on every Windows laptop. It is effective and simple. Please follow up this video to the end so you won't miss out any step in this video. Hello everyone, my name is Wilfred Osi. I welcome you all to this channel, SmartLearn Media. In this channel, we post educating content that can help you thrive in the online space. We also post content on digital marketing, affiliate marketing. We post content that can help you make money online. Please, if you are a new subscriber to the channel, please make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification button so that YouTube can notify you whenever we post a new video. If you are also an existing subscriber, please do well to turn on the notification button so that YouTube can notify you whenever we post a new video. First thing you have to do is to locate your browser. To apply your cursor, to highlight your cursor, you have to go to your browser, search in for this keyword row.designer. row.designer cursor. So you enter. So when you enter here, you have to locate this first snippet here where you have reward graphics. Okay, so you have to click on this reward graphics. So you click here, a beautiful website like this one will pop out. Okay, so we have the search page here: software, gallery, learn, relax, mingle. There are a couple of things you can do with this website, but basically what I'll be showing you in this video is how you can highlight your cursor like the one you are watching here right now. Okay, so to highlight your cursor like the one you are watching here right now, you have to go to this search bar here. Okay, what are you going to type here is highlight, because we want to highlight our cursor right away. So you type your highlight. So you have to search for this highlight now. As you can see here, we have a couple of different highlights here, or different cursor highlights here. The first one, as you can see, is highlight set. Okay, this one is cursor highlight. Why this is highlight cursors? This is highlighted cursors. Okay, now this is highlighted cursors. If you go down, you see many of them. But without wasting much of our time, I'll be going straight to pick one of these highlights. So I'll pick this first one that is titled highlight set cursors. So let's see how it goes. Now, as you can see, you have a display like this. You have this file which is 6.2 kilobyte, that of a picture size. Now we have to go to download. We have to download this file. So when we download this file, as you can see, the file comes on zip file. So I will not be needing this zip file here. I'll go back and select another file. Okay, I'll be selecting this one that is single. This is red highlighted cursor, blue highlighted cursor, this is green highlighted cursor, and yellow highlighted cursor, purple, and orange. So let me be using this purple now. As you can see on my screen, I have the red highlighted cursor already. So I'll be using this purple to make a difference. So I will download this one now. So I'll download it from here. Click on the download. As you can see, we have our downloaded file here already. So what are we going to do next? We have to open the download folder here. Okay, now we have to copy it here. We can decide to cut the file or copy the file. In my own case, I'll be cutting the file right away. So I'll cut the file from here, from the download folder, right click, and I will cut it here. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is to move out from the minimize from this section. So we'll minimize here. We are going to paste this file in our cursor element. So to do that, we have to go to our local computer or local disk. So we'll go to our local disk here. So this is our PC where we have this section here. So click on this local disk. So you come to Windows. Locate this Windows here. Right under your local disk, locate the window folder. Open the window folder. There are different folders here: add-ins, app compact, app patch, app redlines, assembly, bcasd, dro, root, branding. But without wasting time, we have to locate cursors. Okay, this is cursors folder. Now we have to open the cursors folder. Now you can see there are different elements here. There are different cursor here. Okay, different cursor elements. Now we have to paste in the one we have copied, the one we have downloaded. Remember, we have cut the file and want to paste it on the cursors folder. Now to do that, we have to press Ctrl V on our system, or you right click your mouse and paste. Right now I'm right clicking and paste. So this is what they say: destination folder access denied. Why? Say you will need to provide administrator permission to move this folder. Yes, because we want to modify this cursor element. We want to add to the cursor element. Okay, so they are seeking our permission to do so. Now we have to click on the continue. Wow, it has added right away. So here is our new cursor downloaded. As you can see on our screen here, our highlighted cursor have not yet shown. Okay, in other way, our highlighted cursor is still showing the previous highlighted cursor. So we want to add this one. Remember, we downloaded a purple color. Okay, here's the purple color here. So we want to make this to be effective on the screen. Like you can see on the screen here, it's still showing the previous red highlighted cursor. Okay, now we want to show this purple highlighted cursor. Now, how do we do that now? How do we make that happen? How do we make that happen? We have to go to our search bar here, our local search here, search for mouse settings. Okay, so here we have our mouse settings here. We have to click on it. So when we have done that, we have to locate these additional settings here. Okay, click on these additional settings. Here you see different mouse properties here. The mouse, this is the button section, pointers option, wheel, hardware, touch type, and touchpad. Right away, we are going straight to these pointers. This is where we're working on. Okay. Now, as you can see on the scheme section, there are different scheme sections here which you can apply to beautify your highlight or beautify your cursor. Okay, because we want to highlight our cursor from the downloaded section, so we'll be choosing this section to be none. Okay, this section will be none. So the scheme here, we are choosing none. Other way. Now we have the customize section. This section is where we enable us to pick the highlighted cursor. Okay, now when we search through here, we can see we can't find the one we downloaded just now. we can't find the one we downloaded just now. So how do we add this one we downloaded now? We have to go to the browse section, go to the browse. Now you locate the file you just downloaded now. Yes, we downloaded the purple highlight. Okay, here we have it here. Purple highlight. We click on it. We select this purple highlight. Now we have to open the file. Then we apply the file. Now we OK it. So we have effected this purple highlight. Right now we can see on our screen here we have the purple highlighted cursor. Okay, now next time you want to make presentation, you can see that our cursor is being highlighted with purple. So this is how you can enable your audience to follow you up on your video while recording your screen or while trying to make any online presentation. If this video has been so valuable to you, please, like I said, turn on the notification button so that YouTube algorithm will notify you whenever we post a new video like the one you just watched now. So thank you for watching.